Lesson 1.10 is on pages 34 through 39. Skills we are learning today would be using the search feature, applying number formats, wrapping text, using smart lookup, and just modifying properties. So to begin, go to Schoology, download the 1.10 source. And open it and save it as 1.10 when I grow up. We are going to go ahead and start on step 4. So resize any column that would need it. Step 5, select column B. And then in the search field, type the text format as currency. Step 6, select format cells. Step 7a, change the category to currency. Step 7b, change decimal places to 0. And step 7c, click OK. Step 8, click in cell C3 and type the word definition. Change the width of column C to 25. Select column C. And choose wrap text. Step 12, click in cell A4. Step 13, go to our Review tab, then the Insights group, and choose Smart Lookup. Step 13b, explore the results for registered nurse. Step 13c, to define the phrase, click on Define. Step 13d, copy the definition by selecting it, and then right-click and choose Copy. Step 13e, in cell C4, paste the definition and choose Match Destination Formatting. Step 14, from the Backstage view, so remember you get to that by going to File, we are going to inspect the document for hidden properties or personal information. So choose Check for Issues, and then Inspect Document. 14b, from the Document Inspector, click Inspect. 14c, notice that the document properties and personal information were found, and click Close. Step 15, we're going to add to the document's properties. So from Properties, select Advanced Properties. Step 15b, in the Summary tab, type When I Grow Up 2 for the title, and then click OK. Step 16, you're going to want to repeat what we did from step 13 for the following cells, A9, A13, and A19. You can look at the finished product example on page 39 if you're unsure of what to do. But you will be posting each definition in the correct spot in column C. Then go ahead and save your document and submit on Schoology.